Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent, or at least pretty much prevent, your snowblower from clogging. So, stay tuned. And today's the perfect day to make this video because as you can see here, the snow is packing, it's nice and wet, and this is the kind of snow that clogs your snowblower. So these tricks will work on 2-stage and single-stage snowblowers. For today's video, I'm going to do it on my single stage. So basically what is clogging? It's basically when the snow is too wet and heavy for the auger to push out the chute here, and it just clogs it. So this is what I like to do to help prevent clogging. I spray this fluid film stuff in the chute and the bucket in the front because this stuff prevents rust, and it's oil, so it makes it nice and slippery. You can also use WD-40. So first what we're going to do is I'll do a couple passes without these products, and then we're going to spray the products in after I clean it out, and we're going to see basically how much less snow is in the front there. Alright, so as you can see, there's a decent amount of snow in here. Alright, so as you can see, there's a lot of snow in the auger system. So first what we're going to do is spray this in here, and it should prevent the snow from sticking to the metal. I just broke the cap there. Anyway, so just spray a lot of it, especially on the paddles and in the chute. Like right there. You don't want to get in the corners as well, because that's where the snow sticks. Like in here where my finger is. Get on both sides there and just spin this. Get all the rest spots too. You get the paddles and in the chute. Spin the auger to make more access. Also, with this stuff, you might want to leave the can inside overnight to help it warm up, because it's kind of gelling up there on the tip. Alright, and if you don't have this stuff, it's kind of expensive, you can also use WD-40. So just get the WD-40 and spray it in here as well. Get in the auger. This one has a wider spray path, which is also more handy. Alright, now we're going to get in the chute. So just go like this. In the base, especially in here, this is where it tends to clog right there. This will also help your snowblower throw it farther too. Alright, now we're going to test out the snowblower with the products I sprayed in there and see how much further it throws the snow. Alright, so as you can see, there's a lot less snow built up in there. And something cool I noticed is that as I was pushing the snowblower before we sprayed in the products, it was a lot more difficult to push because there was more resistance, like more friction of the snow in the auger system. And after we sprayed in the products, there was a lot less resistance. So basically, that's how to prevent clogs in your snowblower. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more tips or tricks that you do, please leave them in the comments below, because I'll try them out. Here's a bonus of my snowblower into my driveway.